Hi, today I'm reviewing the Inkey List Niacinamide Serum. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money, and I will never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com or click on the Amazon link below. So this is a newer product from the Inkey List, and I've been a fan of the Inkey List really since they started. They're kind of in a similar category of The Ordinary and the Makeup Skincare Revolution London, and what other brands? Good Molecules. They're all kind of right in there. And the Inkey List is kind of becoming my favorite because they tend to use a little bit different packaging and a little bit different formulas than the traditional dropper bottle that all the other brands use for pretty much everything. So I like these bottles a little bit better. They're just easier to travel with, and dropper bottles, if you've watched any of my videos, you know they're kind of annoying to me because you can't really travel with them easily. They take up so much space for storage, and most of them have to be kept in cabinets because they're clear. So the Inkey List is a little bit a step above and a little bit different from all of those other brands just because of this. So they've been coming out with a lot of new products lately. I've been trying to stay up on them and really liking most of them. And the niacinamide is one of the newer ones. And the Inkey List calls this a serum which works to help control excess oil while reducing blemishes and redness. And yes, it pretty much does all those. So on to my number one criteria, which is packaging. And obviously, like I mentioned, they don't use the traditional dropper bottle that The Ordinary uses for everything, and Skincare Revolution tends to use, and Good Molecules uses. So a little bit different. So packaging is good. Protects the product from exposure to light and air, and so they've done a good job with that. My second criteria is alcohol, and this does not contain any denatured drying types of alcohol, so that's a good thing. Fragrance, no fragrance added, no noticeable scent at all, even better. Manufacturing location is made in Canada, although the Inkey List products seem to be made a little bit everywhere. Canada seems to be what I see. I wonder if they use kind of the same place that The Ordinary uses to make them, because I noticed a lot of the more affordable stuff it seems to be made in Canada lately. Anyway, I digress. So on to ease of use. Very easy to use. So after cleansing, morning and evening, apply a couple drops to your clean face and neck if you want, and décolleté. Personally, I find this works better if you apply it before thicker serums and moisturizers or other treatments. I do notice this does set to a slightly tacky finish. However, if you're using other products in your routine, it's not going to be an issue because you're going to be applying something over it. But other than that, it tends to absorb pretty quickly, other than that tacky finish. And plays well with other products. No issues with pilling like a lot of other products can have. So very easy to use. You can use it morning and evening. I found that I just like using this one in the evening because my morning routine, I've got a whole different thing going on. So very easy to use. In terms of beneficial ingredients and antioxidants, this one contains 10% niacinamide, which seems to be kind of the max level. Which is, niacinamide is very good for skin brightening. It's a good antioxidant. It helps prevent acne. It also helps with oily skin to kind of help prevent too much oil from being made. And it also helps with pore size. So niacinamide is a great ingredient for a lot of different issues. And those are most of those. What I do like that makes this one a little different than The Ordinary's niacinamide or Skincare Revolution's niacinamide is that their niacinamide serum also contains 1% zinc. And I'm not necessarily sold that zinc is like a great thing for skin, especially in like more of a skincare routine. I'm just not sold. I think it could be potentially causing irritation for certain people more so than just getting the pure niacinamide. So and then this one also contains squalane, which is a good antioxidant, and then it also contains radish root, hyaluronic acid, and panthenol. So some good hydrating ingredients in there as well. So still a little tacky. But overall, it doesn't have a very long ingredient list. Let's see, it's right about here. So not super long, but we've got some good ingredients that are up towards the top of the ingredient list, which is nice. So they've done a good job with that. My seventh criteria is animal testing, and this product is vegan and cruelty-free, so it makes it even better. Performance. Definitely adds a boost of hydration. Certainly will help brighten skin up. I tend not to have very oily skin, so I didn't notice any difference in terms of oil production. So not that I was looking for it to be any different. So I didn't notice anything with that. But I did notice that my pores with continual use did seem to be a little bit less noticeable than usual. Although I don't typically have any issues with that either. Definitely performs nicely with other products, plays well with them, layers well. Definitely works best, though, when you use it with a routine that includes other ingredients. Niacinamide isn't the end-all, be-all. Skincare needs a plethora of different ingredients and products. So you need niacinamide's great, but you also need skin hydrating ingredients. You need other antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, skin protectors, environmental aggressor fighters, things like that. So you can use this, but just be sure to be using it in a well-rounded routine. Price, so this is the full size, which is 1 ounce, and it retails for $6.90. So that's not bad at all. Pretty darn affordable, and a little bit does go a very long way. So I would say a bottle like this would probably last about, for me, probably about 6 weeks. So not bad at all for that price. That's like a cent a day, maybe. What's 6 weeks? That would be 14. That'd be like 32 days, I think, or 30 days. So that'd be like 2 cents a day. Something like that. I don't know. I'm pretty close, I know. So either way, the price is good. So, okay, on to my 10th criteria, which is the It Factor. I love this. One of the more affordable brands out there. Out of all of those brands, like I mentioned, this is my favorite niacinamide serum out of all the ones I've tried. Love the fact that it's well packaged, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, affordable. Doesn't contain zinc like the other ones do. So overall, I really like this. And if you're looking for a good way to give your skin a boost of brightness and maybe help a little bit with acne prevention, this is a good ingredient and a good product to add into your routine without having to take anything else out. Definitely adding it in will certainly help. So loving it, and I gave this one a 10 out of 10, and that doesn't happen very often. So I need to have like bells and stuff that go off when I say 10 out of 10. I need to have like fireworks or something. I don't know. It's just an idea. So doesn't happen very often. So this one's a good one. I know I've been very critical on my Inkey List reviews. So they've done a great job with this one. So anyway, 10 out of 10. I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to check this out yet, and if you have, what your thoughts are on it, or if you have a favorite niacinamide serum from another brand. I know a lot of you guys love the one from The Ordinary. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm just not necessarily sold on zinc. But it might not necessarily even be bad, just maybe for some people. I don't know. Anyway, so definitely leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Check out nobsbeauty.com and the Amazon link below. And thank you guys so much.